Address is 4109 East 99th Avenue, Tampa, Florida 33617. The date is February 23rd, 2021. This is the sewer video inspection after replacing the pipe outside the house with 40 feet of new PVC. Right now we are inside the house, and you're looking at the top here at the toilet for the main. We've also jetted the line as well. All inside. The cast iron inside the house has been jetted. So I'm going to go backwards through the house in the pipe that's cast iron that's been jetted, and then out from the clean out, which is right outside the exterior block wall of the house, down to the city sewer out near the street. The water in the line is from water being ran down the plumbing system right now to test for the drainage so that you can see that everything is draining. So it's not a belly, it's not holding water, we're just running water so that you can see it flowing. Going back into the clean out, this is the pipe that's all new that we installed today, going out to the city sewer. We are now into the main 6-inch line from the city at the end of the property. Everything is flowing well.